So I always start with my tried and trusty lip plumper. You're gonna see how much color it brings to my lips. And I love the tingling and the sensation I get from it. So here I have, this is my cream side of my compact, and then I have my eyeshadow side. So let's go ahead and get started with the creams. I use 2 colors to kind of make my perfect color. And I love having 2 colors in my palette because sometimes I'm more tan, like I have a fresh tan on my face. Other times I am like right now where I haven't put tanner on in a while and I was in my parents' pool. So I am just trying to decide how tan I want to be. So as you can see, I kind of put that on my face in certain areas so I can see how much product I actually have. Less is more. But look at how user-friendly this is. You literally put it on your face where you want it, and then you rub it in. I use the kind of the denser end of my bronzing brush. This is my favorite brush for that. And look at how that evened out my skin tone. And you can already see my lip color shining through. All right, switching to my next brush here. This is an oldie but goodie. This is if you want a little bit more definition for that contour. And you can see how it just really adds that chisel right to the face. And then I'm kind of just blending up, never blend down. And all I'm doing is I dipped that corner into the brush. And now, so for my forehead, I'm going to go ahead and place that contour at the top, and I'm going to drag it down and marry the kind of the 2 colors, the highlight color and the contour color. Then I'm going to go ahead, I'm not going to reapply any makeup, but I'm going to soften that line just like that. Okay, then I'm going to take the other end here and I'm going to go into my contour for my nose. This is a bit darker color and it just has a little bit more, less warmth. I was going to say more ash to it. So just a little less warmth. I'm placing those 2 lines close together. So this is going to give you beautiful nose structure. And look at those lips. They're getting a little bit of color and some fullness. Now this is the second part to my lip fullness that makes them look like a lot of people probably think I have lip filler, which I don't. They're just mine. They weren't this big before kids, but my face swelled up so bad, and surprisingly, I was left with kind of plumper lips. And then I've used the lip plumper for like 2 years, so absolutely love it. We're already on to blush. Oh, I was looking for my other brush. I'm just going to use this same brush. So to show you how user-friendly, you can literally do this entire makeup routine with just a few brushes. But I'm going to place that pink blush on, soften it out a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to go into my illuminator, get that high point of the cheekbone. And I'm getting so much light through the window here that like it kind of makes it look like it, like in the mirror, it's really not like as dewy looking as it looks on camera right now. But I will show you, I still like to set with the lightest setting powder. And then I actually like to put a little bit of shimmer on my forehead too, just to kind of catch the vibe. So got my lip contour, I have my lip and Cupid's bow illuminator, so I'm kind of powing this part of my face. I got my cheeks on. Now it is time to set. We do have a setting powder, however, I love my eyeshadows, so this little compact just has my eyeshadows. So I'm gonna go ahead and use up, I'm using one of my just my regular setting powder. You can use any setting powder you love. That is the best part. But if you're traveling and you want a one compact makeup, we absolutely have a setting powder. So I'm just using a little bit of light powder, not much, and just kind of putting it on my face. Now you can see I kind of left my cheek area alone. Look at how that kind of took out that extra shine, but the powder did not take away my color. And then I left this part of my cheek open because I want that dewiness, because it gives you so much youthfulness to your face for when you have I'm looking for my eyebrow brush. I literally just had it too. Oh, it's by my side. Okay, so eyebrows. I am just going to use eyeshadow color. Fill in what I have using my mirror because I'm not as skilled yet to use my phone for something as precise as my brows, nose, and lips. So we got those filled in, kind of straighten them out, straighten out those hairs. All right, now for the eyeshadow. And we're only at 6.5 minutes. You're gonna have a full face in less than 10 minutes, I promise. Or like right on 10 minutes because of mascara. But you will look put together. You will not feel like you have a ton of makeup unless you want a ton of makeup. Then you can create your own full coverage look. But I personally just like a nice even look. So I'm using Chai. I'm going to use these lighter 2 colors here because again, I'm just running uptown. I want to look put together, but not, I'm going to put a baseball cap on if that tells you anything. I just want to look halfway put together, like I didn't just crawl out of bed, even though I've been in my workout gear literally all day. I flopped this t-shirt on with now I'm flipping over to the more dense end and I'm going into Stardust. Give that inner eye a little bit of shimmer. And then I'm going in, I switch brushes because this is I only use a light color with this brush. And then I'm going into Drift. This is my tried and true brow color and inner eye pop kind of corner color. So 2 main colors on. Let's do our lashes. I should bring my mirror forward just a bit. So my lashes, I'm not squeezing anything crazy. Just light little pounces. Get some bend in them. Work it up the lash line. Go ahead and apply your favorite mascara. And then I'm going to do, you wouldn't even technically, because the lip plumper brings so much color to my lips, you wouldn't even need to do a lip color, but I like to add just a little bit. And I'm pretty picky with my lashes, so if they're just kind of doing their thing or clumping together a little more than I like, I separate them with a lash comb. If you don't have a lash comb, these are amazing. And these are my lashes. I don't use any serum, but I do take a liquid collagen, the full dose, so once in the morning, once at night. And my lashes have been so amazing these past few years, along with my skin in general. Like decrease wrinkles, more even skin. I rarely have breakouts. These were well deserved after 4 days at my parents' and eating junk food. But other than that, it is truly such a game changer for your skin, inside and out. All right. And you know what? I can probably use a little bit of my blush color on my lips. So there we have it. 10 minutes, full face, looks super fresh, youthful, glowing, dewy, but nothing crazy. You can see the contour. You get a little bit of color to lift your face and cheeks. I love when you are looking straight on, you don't see the highlighters because it's not too intense. When you turn, you really see that cheekbone. Same thing, adding that little bit of highlighter to the Cupid's bow really accentuates the lips along with the contour, the nose structure. Did you see how easy it is? So I know everybody has different makeup preferences. This is absolutely mine because I can get a 10-minute full, beautiful face, feel so put together and amazing. And I wasn't kidding when I said I'm gonna throw my hair in a hat. And then when I shower tonight, I have to use some purple shampoo to tone my fresh color a little bit more. So I'm gonna put my hat on with my cute ponytail. And yes, all my hats are branded because I have a million of them for free because the company I'm with that I use the skincare and their collagen, their so many of their household cleaning products, everything. Every month they do a new little promo for their social marketers, and I feel like every few months it's a free hat. So this is one of 4, I think, that I have. So anyways, I hope this is helpful. Look at how cute and fun, even with a hat, we got going on here. So there we go. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you loved this makeup, if you love the concept, one compact, we have different sizes. You can literally go half size where you only fit 4. You can do a double decker, which you'd fit, 2, or this is the mini double decker where you can see I fit 6, and then a bunch of eyeshadow colors. So much you can do. I will help you with all that if you are interested. I'll line you up with the right brushes to match what type of coverage you're looking for. And these brushes, I kid you not, I've had for like 5 years. They're phenomenal. You will not have to buy new brushes likely ever again if you invest in these amazing brushes. So let me know, comment below if you want your own color match, and I can get you set up with exactly what you're looking for. All right, take care. Bye.